Can I to a couple?
Yes.
Can I tell you what I do? Really quick.
I have seen your videos.
You have?
Yeah.
What's my name?
I don't know, but I've seen it on your Instagram.
Alright, I'm called Shut Up Bonsai on Instagram. I spot for people and I talk to them and I create stories. Would you mind having a conversation? So yeah, what's your name?
My name is Aditya.
Your name is?
Aditya.
Ashna.
Aditya and Ashna. AA.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. I to a couple?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. How long have you been dating?
For a month now?
Yeah.
For a month now?
Yeah.
only a month.
Are you sure you want to do it?
Yeah.
Once it's out.
Quite serious. Quite serious.
Yeah. We are serious about each other.
Guys, इनको 1 महीना हुआ है रिलेशनशिप में. क्या एज आप लोगों की?
I am 25.
I am
25.
22.
25 and 22.
Yeah.
Okay. I already asked them whether they want to do it or not because once it's out there, it's out there. But they say that they're serious. So we have to know the story, right? कैसे मिले आप लोग?
So I joined the same company she was working in already. So I just saw her. I felt like she's a cute girl. So I'm an introvert guy, okay? So I thought कि we were in different teams. तो मुझे लगा कि ऐसा कुछ बात तो कर भी नहीं पाऊँगा क्योंकि काम हम पड़ेगा नहीं आपस में. So I was like कि नहीं हो सकती बात. Then I met a friend who was a mutual of hers. And then she invited him to her Garba party she hosted.
I asked him, like, I found a reason to text him for the photos. And then he was like, oh, would you like to go on a date with me? And then we went out on a date. Probably I saw him before in the company. I might have a crush on him.
माइट या था मतलब दोनों
था.
ये
Yeah.
इंट्रोवर्ट के सिम्टम्स तो वैसे है नहीं इतना
नहीं थे मतलब अगर ये म्यूचुअल फ्रेंड नहीं होता तो नहीं मिलते शायद. मैं होप छोड़ चुका था.
क्या अच्छा लगा इसमें अपार्ट फ्रॉम हर बीइंग क्यूट and her cute nose ring?
Like she is short. I like short girls. So you're short.
Can you say that on the mic again?
Yeah, she's short. So I like short girls. So she was short, cute girl. Like,
Okay. How tall are you guys?
I am 5'11".
Okay.
I am 5.
You're 5.
Yeah.
1 फुट का गैप है. तो अब तुम्हें किस वगैरह करना होगा क्या सीढ़ी लगाओगे क्या करोगे?
ऐसे ही कर लेते हैं.
तुम झुक जाना.
Yeah.
तुम झुक
Yeah.
जाना. Do you remember your first date?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me about it.
So we went, so like he had a plan for dinner, but I said we should go for a fun date. We went to arcade, we did drunk bowling, and then we played like games till the end, and then the people, like the staff had to come and say like, ma'am, it's closed, you need to leave now.
How much do you count on each other?
Completely.
Yeah.
Completely. I know if I'm ever in trouble or I'm stuck somewhere, I just have to call him and he'll be there in 2 minutes. He will not see what he's doing, he'll be busy, but he'll make time for me. Every single day it happens. Like,
हमारे घर भी पास है ना इसलिए भी.
yeah, we would spend the whole day together and he needs to leave. He will still call me for 3 hours and we'll talk.
Help me understand. 1 महीने में तुम लोग सीरियस कैसे हो गए?
ये तो हम भी नहीं समझ पाए थे. हम ये डिस्कस कभी कर लेते हैं.
We just clicked. Like,
Yeah.
like our vibe match, we just clicked instantly.
Do you think you'll get married?
I am hoping.
I am sure.
I
I've
hope.
been telling him that we need to get married in 2 years. He's like, no, please, no. But yeah.
तुम्हें बताऊं, I'm a priest by profession. I can actually I can get you guys married right now if I want.
Do you want to get
I have
married
the
right
power
now?
to get you married.
So I want to get married 29.
When he's
Okay.
29.
Yeah.
मजाक कर रहा हूँ, ऐसा कोई पावर है नहीं मेरे अंदर.
I hope.
I hope.
प्रेशर में करवा लेती है.
ये फंसाना चाहती है गाइस इसको.
Yeah.
तुम फंसना चाहते हो इसे?
Yes, completely.
What's your favorite thing about her?
Favorite thing, the way she cares about me and the way she treats me, wherever we are.
What about you? What's your favorite thing?
I think probably that he cares a lot. Like he's a very emotional person. So he thinks like everything very emotionally. So that's nice. He's very emotionally available. That's what I like about him.
What's your love language? Both of you.
Physical touch.
Physical touch, दोनों की.
I can see that, you know.
Yeah.
Like he was just holding your neck and just caressing her.
Yeah. He can't go 2 minutes without like just touching. Like if it's just like even like hand holding or like just one finger on his hand, he's okay with that. My friends just say that you guys are too touchy. It just gets awkward at one point.
Fuck them, yeah.
Yeah, like fuck them. Like
I
I'm
don't
just
care.
happy around him, so I will show that I'm happy around him. I don't care if you guys are awkward. Leave the room.
But thank you so much for talking to me. Thank you so much for being patient and trusting me enough to open up about you guys. I end the interviews on a positive note जहाँ मैं कुछ photos click करता हूँ. Would you mind अगर मैं कुछ photos click करूँ आपके साथ?
Yeah.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you. It was fun talking.
Love your kisses, love your touch, love your story. I hope you guys last. I hope you guys go the distance.